If you can hear the noise, we've got in all of our family over at the moment because we're having like a baby shower kind of thing, so there's loads of noise in the background. I'm really sorry about that. And if you hear any children's noise at the moment, Alyssa is under the table playing with some toys. Okay. Oh, this hurts me. How's the hair? Good.
Right. I'll just turn the sick bag inside out, so.
Recommendation, don't smell, just stick it all in.
That's alright, I've got such a
Isn't that what you tell Megan?
Oh!
You ready?
No, I'm not!
Open wide!
I don't want to!
This
Hold
is
your
your
nose.
Do
idea.
it, come on!
Hold your nose, you ready? Open wider.
Why'd your hand in my bag? What are you going to do to my bag?
Stop you from running away.
Is that whole green mustard?
Huh?
Is that whole green mustard?
Nope.
Do you mean
Can I have
no?
a white, please? Or like a
That's what she just said.
relish, whole grain mustard?
Nope.
Is it not? It's like a relish. It's like pickly with bits in
Can you
it.
give up?
I don't know, but can we just like get it off my nose?
There's tissue in
Is
front
it like
of
a
you.
tartar sauce? Like a spicy tartar sauce?
Nope.
What is it?
Horseradish
Horseradish.
I've never had horseradish in my
You
life.
have now.
It's fucking
Oh, they're alright then.
Why is my nose is actually burning? Am I
Yeah,
kidding?
it's not
Horseradish.
safe for human consumption.
It's not safe for my nose. Literally, I'm not even kidding. My nose skin is burning.
Just open your mouth there. What?
It's fucking cat treats.
Yeah,
What flavour? Come on.
Chicken?
Give it, nope. Give it a crunch and find out.
Oh, crunch it.
Oh well.
No, it's cat treats. So I got that right.
No. You've got to guess the flavour.
Chicken,
No.
beef,
No.
prawn,
No.
fish,
Sort of. Keep going.
salmon.
Well done.
Yay. There's a baby touching my knees under the table.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a nice one now.
I honestly thought that would taste worse. I'm not gonna lie. It's just really dry.
Boys,
Like cat treats.
cat treats.
My mouth is.
Open.
I haven't even got a safety belt on.
Oh, that licorice.
Yep.
I hate licorice, so thank you, but
That's
it's
all right.
going in there. Point! Wait, how many points have I got? I've got 2 points.
Yep, 2 points.
2 points! I'm not even kidding, my nose is really burning.
Okay, you ready?
Be careful, this has got something hard in the middle of it.
Oh, it's an olive. Or a prune. It's a prune in it. Oh, it's a prune!
No, you got to chew it to find
No,
out.
I know, damn
It's not prune.
My teeth
It's not a
is. That's a prune.
It's not a prune.
You
Chew
eat it then.
You chew it and find out.
That is a prune!
Okay, here it is.
Try it. My teeth pierced it, so therefore I got the juices in my mouth. It was tasty.
This one you have to chew.
Do I have to swallow it?
You don't have to swallow it, but you have to chew it.
Okay. I've
Open.
got cat treats on my coins.
Chew it.
That's a chili. That's a dried out chili.
Well done.
I couldn't tell you what chili it is. I'm guessing it's a red one.
To be honest, it's just called whole chili.
Hey, how many points have I got? My tummy's
3.
burning now.
3, 4. 3, 4, I can't remember.
3?
3. And open. This is the last one.
Chewing gum.
You're welcome. That doesn't count, by the way. That's just a little.
favourite.
That's just a add-on, so that doesn't count as a point.
You look like you're growing a moustache.
You two.
Right, my turn.
Okay.
I don't know what to start with. Let's start with this.
Yes. Oh, lovely.
Plastic.
You're not eating plastic.
Oh.
Ready? I'm feeding it to you on the spoon. You're a chef, so you should get pretty much all of these.
Pate.
Yeah? But what type?
Flavour.
Salmon.
Smell?
Fish.
Yeah, salmon pate. He got that. That was easy enough. That was a
I
letdown.
should hope he should get all of them.
Used to be a chef.
I can't remember what this is called. My mum knows. I'll put it in there.
I hate that.
Right, so you're going to take a bite out of it. His leg is shaking.
My legs are all shaking.
Right, ready? And take a bite.
Love you too, Alyssa. Why do you all just want to go?
Do you know what it is? It's actually quite nice.
I don't know what it is either. What's it called? Sharon fruit.
I didn't even get a chance to guess. Thanks, Mum. Sharon fruit. Thank you. 2 hours.
No, that's okay.
No, you didn't say. You didn't give me a chance.
Alright, okay, fine. Okay, number 3.
Wait, where's the bin?
Just there.
Bin.
Number 3. Ready? You got to put the whole thing in your mouth.
That's what she said.
You're disgusting. Whole thing.
Ginger.
In what form?
Chunks.
Well, yeah, got it. Okay.
What's that? I need to get rid of the weird taste on my lips.
Do you want some lemon?
No, that's alright.
Okay, this next one's coming on the spoon.
This is the last one, ain't it?
No, second from last.
Okay. Is it a Twinkie?
Okay.
It's Marmite, I hate it.
No, but you need a big wide mouth to get this in. But,
I love you too.
Nice try, but
No, honestly, otherwise it won't fit.
peppers.
Don't know, they're Mexican.
Yeah, Mexican peppers.
No, they're not. They're chilies. It's a type of chili.
Make some pepper. Chili.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so boring with him. Why does I bother like
He's a chef.
You're a chef.
Literally his job is to
Right,
make
okay.
food.
I really hope this screws you over then.
No,
My mouth is absolutely burning.
Haley, it's going. Okay, I
Nice
need
to
to
see
like.
the reduced sticker on there.
That's out of date.
If it's out of date, I'm not going to be happy.
Oh my god.
I don't know, but then peppers are burning my lips.
Megan, I hope
They
you
should
don't
call
plan
it
on
down.
kissing him for the rest of the night.
Well, this is obviously going to
Put
be
it this
cat
way,
or
yeah.
dog food.
Megan won't
Cat
kiss
meat.
you.
Hello, yeah.
Megan won't kiss you for the rest of the night.
No, it's jelly bean.
Oh, there's a bone.
Look what Uncle Reed.
Ready?
Guess so.
Good as it's gonna get.
Whole thing. You didn't even get it in. It's still on the spoon. Don't count. Open.
That's cat meat
Open.
with jelly.
No, it's not. Promise.
It
It's
is.
not cat food.
Genuine food that people actually like.
Oh!
Don't get it.
I shouldn't be eating this because it's actually not proper meat.
If I say race, your missus is.
I mean, it's definitely me.
Yes,
Full
oh.
of it. Hey, have some more.
No, I've had it before.
Or just
I've tried it before.
yeah, have this one. Help.
Was it dog's canned jelly?
No.
And it's like a chicken or turkey jelly.
No.
What is it?
No, don't like try. Once more. Try once more.
I've tried enough, thank
Try once more.
you. Haley. What is it?
Oh, you're so boring. It's
Jellied eels.
jellied eels.
Ah, jellied eels. I tried
Oh
it.
wow. Who won out of that?
Reese.
You're the winner.
Yeah.
Reese is the winner. Chicken dinner. Oi, oi.
Alright, so we have now got a head to head.
No,
That's
that's alright.
your food. Chef v Big Brother.
What?
No.
Chef Big Brother, no.
Oh, who's it?
Chef
Little
me.
sister
Oh.
being
It's the
chef.
youngest two.
Ah, it's the babies of the group. Right, let's get.
I'm just getting rid of some of this aftertaste.
Okay, so rules of the game. Remember, you will both be given an item of food which you will eat at the same time. So I'll count down from 3, eat on 1. The first person to answer, well, the first person to say what the food item is and get it correct gets the point. The person who doesn't answer loses. Okay, here we go. Here's number 1.
Wait, where's my drink so I can just move it out of the way?
Oh,
Where's number 1?
right, put your hand up. Oh, Reese.
What?
Hold on, Claire.
Oh, it's a spoon. Right, you
Yeah,
should
it's a
have said
spoon. Hold on to a spoon. Don't tip it up. Hold the spoon like that. Okay.
Oh, you're
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, taste. Quick, first person to answer wins.
seeded mustard.
Oh, fuck you.
What type?
It's not Heinz. It's not Dijon, it's honey mustard.
Can someone get me a bucket?
It's honey mustard.
Okay, that was a point to Reese.
Where's the bin so I can get rid of it?
Just put it on the table.
Alright.
Okay, here comes your second item.
Can I have a tissue so I can just wipe
Nope.
my hand? Alright.
Right, second item, again on the spoon. It's probably not going to focus on the camera. But I'm passing it towards the spoon part is
Just got away from Bible.
facing you.
Who's going first?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, eat.
Mussel.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Fish. Eel.
Nope.
What the hell is that? Mussel.
Oh, I know what that is.
Nope.
But I can't think of the bloody name.
It's a fish, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's
In like an oil.
It's not cockle, it's not mussel, it's oh.
5,
Oh, I ain't
4.
got a clue. It's fish.
3,
Yeah.
From the sea.
2,
Seafood.
1.
I
Game over. No points for that one.
What was it? Because it looks, it tastes
quite
so
nice.
familiar.
It was an oyster.
Oyster, that's
Okay.
Oh, it's
Oyster.
that's the same as it. No, you didn't. That's the same as
You
mussel.
didn't say oyster. Oyster.
Can I
Alright,
please wax
no.
off this in order?
Next one. Again on a spoon. Gonna pass it to you. Yeah.
Can we go, yeah?
No.
Was that
Are you
allowed
ready?
to?
3,
Oh,
2,
Ah.
1, go.
This one's like a homeless woman's fag.
onion.
Oh, Megan's
Honestly, I
got
don't know what it is.
Pickled onion. Pickled onion and fish.
No.
It's,
Onion.
No. Yes.
What's onion?
Okay, yes
oh
it
no,
is.
it's bloody good.
It's nice, isn't it?
Well, it's not oyster with onions. Not it's,
Onion
squid.
with fish.
Seaweed.
It's onion with fish.
Yeah, some sort of fish.
What fish?
Lobster.
No, it's not lobster, it's
No.
not crab, it's not oyster, it's not
They're roll mops.
roll mops.
Roll mops, apparently.
What's that?
I'm not
Herring
sure.
and onion.
That's
Herring.
gross.
when you was little.
Is that a bird?
No, not herring.
No.
Herring.
Okay.
Yes, Mum just served us a
who's
bird
winning?
from outside, me by one.
Okay,
Is
the
this one
next
spoon
one.
or the
No,
kebab
no
shape?
spoons. It's a shot. You must do the whole shot.
Oh.
Wait, don't.
Oh, you.
Do not break my glasses. 3, 2, 1, shot. Reese. Reese, shot.
What the freaking hell is that? That's animal something. That's cat something, can it? Cat prosecco.
Cat Prosecco? Where the hell does Cat
What is that?
Prosecco?
It's disgusting. What the hell is
Sure
that?
that's
Are you
not
sure?
cat-based?
Are you sure that's that?
Okay, do we know what it was?
Cat something or
Reese,
something?
do you know?
Where's the bin?
It's fish sauce.
Oh.
Okay, next one.
Wait a sec.
What are you looking for, Reese?
Chewing gum so I can get rid of the aftertaste.
Too late. Okay, next round. Again on a spoon.
Wait, whereabouts is Mum?
She's
She's there.
For last
Putting the
one.
bucket this side, so it's out the shot. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Lard.
Well, that was anticlimactic, wasn't it? No, Reese got it right. Lard. Do you have one more?
That was disgusting.
Okay.
Bit into that.
So I have no idea what the score is at the moment.
You're another carry on too.
Is it 3-3? Okay, so the score is apparently 3-3. So we all get,
She
well,
hasn't got one right yet.
she has.
Ah, pretty much. Thank you very much. Goose, fat and lard are pretty much the same thing.
Yeah, I said first.
How you feeling?
Fine, Kerry.
Right, so we've got one more item. Whoever wins this item,
Oh my god, no, that's actually disgusting. I've just hit me that.
whoever wins this round wins all together. Are you ready?
They will need that.
Are you ready? Okay, mouth open.
Hold on.
Open. Proper open, like big Reese. Big.
If
3,
you put your finger in my mouth and someone will bite it.
1.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon. So I already knew before you did it. See, I went stupid. I already knew what it was.
Inhale it and start choking.
There's a lesson for you.
See, I went sleeping.
Oh my god.
Don't bring me off.
Oh, you tried the cinnamon challenge.
What do you think?
That was disgusting. I've got it all down me.
Oh dear. I'm not really sure who won that. Who won that? Who do you think won that, everyone?
Reese said it first.
I think Reese did say first.
Reese said it
Do you
first.
want to see your present? Your prize?
What is it?
Did you get runner up?
No.
Prize for winning the food challenge.
Sorry.
What is that?
Excuse me. A brush. Awesome. There you go. Let me get off your chin.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
That was disgusting.
She's out.
Goodbye.
Okay, so what did you all think?
That was shit, I'm not doing it again.
I proper screwed you over. It was alright, the last bit was, Mum's one was horrible.
Yeah, Mum went ham on you guys.
That,
This stuff,
sauce.
smell it.
oh no, Ruth was almost
Minging,
sick.
it's disgusting.
That is, yeah, vile.
I'd do it again, but no.
Sure about that?
That was alright, to be honest.
Yeah, you're
It was
boring.
fine.
You're boring.
The only thing I didn't like was the shot, but still.
That was disgusting. You actually, did you drink that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You actually swallowed it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the only thing that I personally didn't like was the bloody horseradish. Not because it tasted bad, it was like
Just not
alright,
very nice.
but it burnt my nose. And
Yeah, because it's stuck on your nose.
It didn't go up my nose, it was literally on my nose, like on my skin, and it burned. Like,
Shane done alright with me, thank you.
Yeah, that's what you're welcome.
yeah, I think.
I can't believe you fell
Sorry.
for the cinnamon.
What do you mean?
How did you fall for the cinnamon?
What do you mean fall for it? You got cinnamon around your mouth
Yeah,
still.
it was just obvious.
He'd
that it was
already
gonna be
guessed.
cinnamon. I'd already
I
guessed
didn't know
before I put it in
that.
my
Yeah,
mouth.
you told me, but I didn't even know
They're
that.
always like this.
Yeah. So, okay, with that being said, I think we're going to call it a night now, and we're all going to go throw up and spend the rest of the evening on the toilet.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hopefully see you next week with another video. Please like this video and leave a comment down below of what you thought. Subscribe. And so it's bye from me, and bye from Shane, Reese and Kerry.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye. I knew he was going to do that.
Oh, dude, it's on my glasses! I didn't even know he was going to do that.
I saw him
Okay,
picking it
guys,
up.
bye. Bye.